So here we will try to solve these questions. Okay, so here interviewer is saying get first name, middle name and last name through the formula. Okay, but here only last name and middle name. Here it is not asking for first name. So what we will do, last name. Interviewer is asking for last name, then what we will do, right name function. In that case we always use length with the right, length minus find. Here we will find star because we want to find extreme last value. Extreme last value means sometimes name can contain more than one space, or just like this one, Jitendra Kumar Rajput Harendra. So in this text we have three spaces, so we want to find out the extreme last value. For that one we will use here star, because star is not available in the name. So what we will do, we will put star in place of, so we will use here substitute here. Substitute is asking for text means I have selected this text, then old text means what value you want to remove. I want to remove space. For what means what value you want to put in place of space. So I want to put star in place of space. Now I will count with or total number of spaces. Total number of spaces means len my len substitute len minus len substitute from this name. I want to remove space. Okay, in place of space I want to remove, I want to put nothing. Okay, so by this way easily you can find out the last name. Okay, so here we are getting the correct answer. Okay, same way without first name I want to bring the last name. Okay, so I want to separate me last name. Here I need Pant. So here we will use right name. Firstly right name we always use length with the right name function. We will use here len, this one minus find, because we want value after the first space. So here find what we will put here, find space, because we want after the first space. So this formula will return me always value after the first space. So like this one you can see this one. Now copy this value, now copy this value, this formula, and now I have copied this formula, and what I want, we will use here left, because what I want sing is left side. So what formula I will use here, I will use here left means like this one left. It's maybe maybe we have more than one spaces. For that we will use here find star, just like right name we will use here star, because without the help of first name we want to bring here last name. So for that purpose I am using here star. Star is not available. Okay, so star. Okay, star. So I am, we will use here substitute is asking for text means whatever I have copied I will put here, whatever I have copied, this one. Okay, this one. And now I want to remove space by star. Okay, now I want to count the total number of spaces. Total number of spaces len minus len substitute. Okay, substitute is asking for task, whatever I have copied I will put here. And now I want to remove space by blank. So by this way you can easily find, you can sometimes suppose your formula, your text contain more than one middle name. So in that case also this formula will work. But if you don't have any middle name, in that case formula will return you value error. In that, if, if you get error means formula doesn't have any middle value, in that case what you will do, you will use here if error. If formula return me error, in that case what I want to put, I want to put blank. Okay, please. So this formula, so easily you can see this formula is working correctly. Now this name contain, this name has one middle name. So you can see here one middle name. This name contain two. So you can see here this name does not have any middle name, so you can see here blank. Okay, so by this way I have solved the first question. Now here get the date by sum of values. Okay, so here interview is clearly saying use sum if formula, but in mostly of the cases you will not get any hint regarding which formula should I use. Okay, so because we have only date single condition, for single condition and we want sum, so in that case what I'll use is equal to sum if is asking for range, means what is my range, this one is my range where I want to put the criteria, so range criteria this one. So after selecting the data I press one time F4 because my data is not going downside, so this one is fixed, so I have pressed here or one time F4. Now criteria for criteria I'll press three time F4 because my when I'll go downside this cell this selected cell reference should also go downside. Okay, after that formula is asking for sum range, so where is my sum range, so this one is my sum range. Okay, so press one time F4 here also. Okay, so now press enter, so easily you can see the result. So here it is saying 13 on 13th March 1317 I am getting the answer. So if you want to verify your result, you can verify from here, hold down arrow from filter and you can select the values and you can see 1317, so you are getting the correct answer. So by this way you can verify whatever answer you are getting the correct answer or not. Okay, so I have solved this question also. Okay, now go to the third question. In third question, yes, fill the below mentioned detail used by one time formula VLOOKUP. So here is also interview has mentioned use VLOOKUP. Okay, so we will use here VLOOKUP lookup value. Where is the lookup value? Lookup value 3 times 4, press 3 times 4. Okay, okay, after that table array from where I want to bring data. Okay, so here 1 times 4. Okay, 1 times 4 table array. After selecting the data you will have to press 1 times 4. Now it is asking for column name. Column name means match, you will have to use match which column you want to bring here. Okay, so now I'll type 2 times F4 2 times F4 after selecting the header. Okay, now match header with the header 1 times F4. Okay, comma 0 and 0. So here I am getting NA. Why I am getting NA? Because so, so when you drag this formula downside, you can see here formula is returning NA. Why this is giving me NA? Because you can see here green icon. This one is text. So you will have to change this formula. So how you can identify this one? So by each text formula is equal to each text. If each text will return you true, so you can understand this one is text. And same formula you can identify this one also each text this value. So this one is giving me false. So this one is not text. Okay. So what? So from where we want to bring data, that is text, and here given value is number. So whatever value is given here, I'll have to change my this value to the in that format. Okay, so what formula we will use here? VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP text, because I want to convert this data to text 3 times 4 as normal. And what format? Put 0 comma. Now formula is asking for table array. Table array means where is the data? 1 times 4 comma. Now it is asking for column number. Column number means I'll have to use match header 2 times 4. 2 times 4 and I want to match header with the header. So 1 times 4 comma 0 comma. Okay, last 0. Okay, so by this way control R. Okay, so now you can see the correct answer. Here you can see this data. I want to bring data from here. This one is number. So and this one is text. You can see the green icon in front of the cell left side. Okay. left corner you can see the, so how you can you identify this one is number or not. So is number you can use equal to is number, is number, yes it is saying this one is number. And here also I want to confirm is number, is number. So this one is, so I'll have to change this text to the number. How can we change text to number? Value function, by value function just. So now you can confirm is number, is numbers how it is giving me. So by this way we can change. So how we will use the formula? VLOOKUP value function, because I want to change this value firstly to value value 3 times 4, normally 3 times 4 comma nothing else. You will have to select the data. So I have selected my data. Now it is asking for column number. So for column we'll use here match 2 times 4, okay, header, and this header will fix 1 times 4 comma 0 comma 0, okay. So control R. So here in this test paper we have seen both type of example. If data is given as a text value, so we will have to change formula in the text format, firstly cell value in the text. And now here you can see data is given in number, so I have changed firstly value to the number and then I use VLOOKUP, okay. Now question number 4, what it is saying here, CDE when I check matching data is given in row, so I'll have to use here HLOOKUP. What formula I'll use? HLOOKUP, okay, is equal to HLOOKUP this value 1 2 3 times 4, okay. Firstly select the data 1 times 4 comma match header 1 2 times 4 comma, so 1 times 4 comma 0 comma 0, okay. Control R. So by this way is equal to sum, control R, okay. So by this way we can get the answer. Now go to the next question. This one is also the same, but data is given to the left side from matching column. So this one is my matching column, but data is left side, so I cannot bring this data by VLOOKUP. So here I will use index match, okay, index match. And you can see the green icon here also. So you will have to change this cell to text before when you want to bring the data. So for index 1 times 4 comma, now row number, for row number what formula I'll use? I'll use here match. I want to match this value, but before selecting this value I'll have to change this value to text. So I'll have to use text also. This one 3 times 4 comma double quote 0. Now yes comma, now matching column, this one is my matching column comma 0 comma, now match 1 2 times 4 comma 1 times 4 comma 0. So control R and control D. So you can see the data, because 101 is not given in the data here. 101 is not given, that's why I am getting here NA, okay. If you want to remove NA, then you can use if error function before the formula. If you want to remove if error, if formula return me error, in that case what I want to see the blank value. So you can use anywhere blank value, okay dosto. So easily you can use this formula. Now here, so yes, firstly we will search for highest value is 13,000, then lower and lower. So if value is greater than 13,000, then answer should be A. If value is greater than 12,000, we will see the lower limit, not the upper limit, okay. 12 we will see here 13,000, 12,000, 10,000 and 9,000, okay. So what formula? Because we want different result. If we want more than one answer, in that case we always use if condition. Is equal to if this value is greater than equal, how much? 13,000. 13,000, then what answer I want? I want A. If this value, now we will check for second value. Second value means this value here. 3 times 4, this value is greater than equal. Kitna? How much? 12001. Okay. Then what answer I want? B. If this value greater than equal 10,001. 1001. 01. In that case, what answer I want? D. Okay. Now next condition. If this value is greater than equal 9,000, then what answer I want? E. Otherwise I want blank. So you can see the, if value is greater than 13,000, you can see A. Value greater than 12,000, you can see B. Where is the B? This one. Okay. Now the video will be too long. This is my first video. So now here following, use the calculate to calculate the medals for the athlete taking part in the race. Means who person who has taken less time, he will get the what? Gold medal. Okay. So firstly we will try to find out the position. For position we will use rank. This one. Firstly select the value. Okay. 3 times 4, comma. Now select the full data. 1 times 4, comma 0. Okay. So by this way, so 0, we will use here 1, because here you can see ascending or descending, in which order you want. I want position by ascending order. Means this person got the first position because it is taking only 105 second, and this person is taking 1 minute 15 second. Okay. So now person who got the first position, that person will get the gold medal. So equal to, if this value equal to 1. So what answer I want? I want gold. If, then I'll use next condition. If this value equal to 2, then what answer I want? Silver. If this value equal to 3, then what answer I want? Bronze. Otherwise blank. Okay. So by this formula you can see, person who got the first position, he is getting gold medal. Person who got second position, he is getting silver. Okay. Now here find the sum of quantity. Okay. So here I have two conditions, LG and keyboard. LG is given in this column and keyboard is given in this condition. So here we have more than one condition. So, and we want sum also. So in that case, what formula I'll use? Sum ifs. Okay. Sum ifs F4, comma. Now sum ifs was asking firstly for sum range. Sum range is my this one. D3 to D15 is my sum range. Now it is asking for first range, this one. 1 times 4, comma. And criteria, this one is my criteria, 3 times 4, comma. Now this one, comma. Okay. So keyboard is given on the top. So here I will type 2 times 4 now. Control R and Control D. So you can see the answer here. For Samsung and monitor, I am getting 86. So firstly I will validate my result for Samsung and monitor and Samsung. So you can see only single value 86. So my answer is correct. Okay. So I have verified my answer also. Now in this question, count the number between 50 and 70. Okay. So I want to count only those number who are between 50 and 70. So is equal to count ifs, because here I have more than one condition. Is equal to count ifs cell value Firstly, we will use the lower limit. Lower limit means value greater than, equal, greater than equal 50. Okay. Now take the highest limit. Highest limit, this one. Firstly select the range and then you will mention here less than equal 70. Okay. So by this way you can count values. Okay. Now we are in last question, and this one is the mostly asked question in all the test paper. You can easily find out this question. So is equal to dated if. Dated if. Now select this value and press one time F4, because every time if I want to find out the year, that time also I'll use this cell for month also, for year day also. 3 time F4 and today. Today means till today's date, how many year and days have passed. Now what I want, y. Okay. I did. Okay, from where date, sorry, date, we will use here dated if, DATEDIF. Okay. Now Control D, copy the formula downside, and now you will change YM. YM will give you month and days, MD. MD. So you can see here. So now I have solved this test paper. So friends, practice this test paper. This is my first test paper. So subscribe my channel, because the now onward I will upload such type of too many test paper I will solve and upload on this side. So if you want to get updated, in that case subscribe to my channel. Okay दोस्तों, बाय दोस्तों, जय श्री राम.